Hope that camera's right. You can't see my bird, can you? Okay. Got a request from my friend Dave Fisher. He's a rapper. I'm gonna play it. So here it is. I like liquor and whores, liquor and whores, cigarettes and dope and mustard and bologna, liquor and whores. I was down, drinking at the Legion. I met a girl, she was nice, she was pretty and pleasing. She said, hey boy, we should do some marrying. I said, sure, but before we do, there's something that you should know. I like liquor and whores, liquor and whores, cigarettes and dope and mustard and bologna, liquor and whores. One night, down at the Legion, she walked in, I was drunk on gin, dancing with a lady friend. She said, hey boy, you should drive the fuck home. I said no, just 5 little words, could have swore I said to you. I like liquor and whores, liquor and whores, cigarettes and dope, mustard and bologna, liquor and whores.